Hi, my name is Anthony and welcome to my Fiverr gig. Do you have scanned or sculpted models you would like me to retopologize as a low poly model? Well, I can help you with exactly that. Sculpted models can look amazingly detailed, but are also heavyweight models with millions of triangles and flawless topology. What I do is create a clean low poly version and bake the details in a texture. The low poly model is much easier to work with, runs a lot faster, and can be used in game engines like Unity or Unreal. All I need from you is the high poly mesh of the model you would like me to retopologize. Make sure to include any textures or vertex color information you might have if you want me to include them in the texture baking. Feel free to contact me for further information about this gig, and I hope to hear about your next project.